Okay. Welcome to the interview series from the ImAgE-D Doctoral Network. And today we have Yimeng with us from the University of Oslo. And hi, Yimeng, how are you today?
Today it was a quite long day. We just finished the whole day, but I presented my work in the morning, so right after it I was really relaxed.
You must be feeling very relaxed
Yeah.
right now. But overall, like I know that it's been a while since your last interview.
Yeah.
And how is this PhD journey going?
So currently I'm on my second year, and very soon I'm going to also do my midterm. So I'm looking forward to it, but also a little bit scared and nervous.
No, I'm sure that it will be fine. Good
Yeah.
luck with that anyway.
Yeah.
So how would you describe your typical day in the lab and in general as a doctoral candidate?
So I usually just go to the office, and then I will first check my email because there's a lot of work email every day when you open the mailbox, and then plan some to-do list. Maybe do some experiment if I have the time, because usually for my experiment I need to book the instrument beforehand and also check the preparation of the reagent and stuff. So sometimes it takes more than 7 or 8 hours. So sometimes I can do in the same day, but sometimes I have to plan for the next day.
Oh.
But it's basically like that. And afterwards, I usually go to the gym and then go home. Yeah, work out. Yeah.
That helps a lot, I think,
Yeah.
also to cope up with the stress, I
Yeah.
believe. But at this point, could you describe the project that you are doing? So what is your PhD topic? And
So if I want to summarize it in one sentence, I think it would be imaging of bone marrow vascular niche during aging. So we mainly focus on the endothelial cells and hematopoietic stem cell in the bone marrow specifically during the natural aging, so without any drug induced like other PhD students.
Okay, that sounds interesting and
Yeah.
lovely. And compared to your background that you're coming from, like, and you may be dealing with a different topic right
Yeah.
now. So did you have to take any particular courses that are helping you throughout this PhD journey?
Yes, so besides some mandatory course that we have to take from the university, like the introduction for PhD, I took one course. I think it's specifically very important for my project. It's related to flow cytometer, because I haven't used this device or instrument beforehand, so I have to read a lot, and this course really helped me to know how to analyze this or how to use the device, what kind of device available in the department and so on. So I recommend it.
That's good then. So I was just wondering, like, I'm curious about how do you normally approach towards work? Like, what is your research process as a PhD student? Like, how do you plan your experiments? How do you normally approach your work? Do you have any particular hints that you would like to give to others?
What do you exactly mean approach?
Like, do you do like I mean, like, maybe you how you plan your work? Like, you do literature search before, then of course you have to plan your experiments. So how do you normally, do you have any tips, or you have any specific personal way of dealing with this research process?
Okay, so yeah, of course we have to read a lot, so a lot of like literature references check, and afterwards usually we summarize it and try to discuss with my supervisor, maybe in the meeting, and also with people who has more experiences in the field, like a postdoc or maybe other colleagues in the department, so we can like exchange ideas and see if they actually worked with it or similar thing or related to it, so we can get some tips. And then we could plan more about how we really want to process with the steps later on.
Yeah, I think this is an excellent answer, because I think communication with your colleagues is very important, who have maybe previous experience, and they will help you guide through your experiments in the future, I'm sure about it. So you are halfway through your PhD,
Yes.
but still, like, your presentation was nice and you showed amazing results, but is there anything that you are maybe specifically proud of, or that you would like to share with us that you have achieved in these past year?
I think it's at the very beginning when I just started, I had the chance to do some supplement experiment for my supervisor, which helped her and helped the group, and also the paper that they actually published already.
That's a great achievement.
So we have established this really nice staining protocol that is also reproducible for endothelial cells in the bone marrow. That's which we try to also combine now the techniques here in our other study. Yeah.
That sounds like a great achievement, I must say. Congratulations on
Thank
that.
you.
And now I think we are towards the end of the interview, and I must ask the mandatory question about your future.
Okay.
So what's next in general, and if you have any specific milestones that you have set for yourself for the near future?
Do you mean during the PhD or after the PhD?
However you feel like, whatever you feel like to share with us.
Okay, so I think now because it's very close to midterm, so I just want to finish my midterm, and I hope I could graduate in time. I heard it's quite challenging actually because they try to shorter down the PhD period. So I guess I want to graduate, and also I want to like still stay in the research field. So I hope I could do some work still related to the study that I'm doing now in the future.
Yeah. I'm quite sure that you will do very well, and you will reach your milestones definitely and graduate without any issues. I am quite sure about that. But anyway, I wish you all the very best for that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you.